just arrived. But what I can say, Canary, is that nothing has been saved from the factory right from the time the fire began. It appears like the people had gone to rest, the offices had been closed, the factory had been closed. So it is difficult. We are yet to establish exactly what could have resulted into the fire. We are also informed that there is another next factory on the other upper hand, which is also on fire. There are actually two factories, Canary. We are still here to gather more details. That is what we have for now, and definitely we will be updating our viewers on what exactly has evolved. As of now, we know that no life has been, we have not been informed of any life that has been lost, but it is just property worth millions, and that is yet to be established how much exactly has been. They were overwhelmed by the fire, and also the first vehicle ran out of water before the fire could be put out. But at least what we can do, the fire is subsidizing a bit, but again, as it reduces, the whole factory has also been reduced to ashes. So literally nothing has been saved, but the police and the security, UPDF, are all here and have been doing their best, working together to see that the fire does not spread from one factory to another, and also to ensure that the people who are around are not affected.